time for us to wonder when time is young, and so are we. The woods are green over yonder. The path is new. The world is free. Hey guys, just wanted to take a real quick minute to say Happy Earth Day to everyone here from Upstate South Carolina. And I just wanted to make this quick little video highlight reel of some of my favorite scenes and video clips from the past year, especially a lot from earlier this year and earlier spring. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I just wanted to celebrate Earth Day and to celebrate and honor this beautiful place that we call home. And I also wanted to just show my appreciation and gratitude, not only for the natural places we have, the beautiful place I call home here in the mountains of South Carolina, Western North Carolina, but also a shout out and a thanks of appreciation to all the people out there working to conserve and protect these areas and be stewards of the earth, of our rivers, so that we all can enjoy them, preserve them for wildlife, and preserve them for the future and for our children to enjoy, hopefully years and years after us. So definitely wanted to tell those particular groups and organizations thank you. Shout out to our friend and neighbor Save Our Saluda. Shout out to Naturaland Trust, Upstate Forever, Conserving Carolina. These are organizations that are helping to preserve these wild places for us all to enjoy. And also the Foothills Trail Conservancy. The Foothills Trail is an amazing organization. It's an amazing local trail that we have here in our region as well. And also shout out to Wildlife Rehab Group of South Carolina for all that they do to try to help the wildlife animals that have been injured or orphaned in this area. They are trying to do what they can to help the local wildlife that is losing its home and habitat to humans. So I wanted to give a shout out to them. And if you would like to donate to any of these organizations, I will provide links to their websites below if you want to donate to any of these special groups. And again, thank you to them for all you do. And thank you to Mother Earth for providing everything we need. And I hope you enjoy the video and have a happy Earth Day. Thanks for watching.
time.